It's looking a little dark out there in South Haven. The right-hand side of your screen is looking north, where we do have some areas of rain and thunderstorms, but you can see on the left-hand side of your screen more towards the south, where the sun is sparkling off the water. So certainly a little bit of an ominous picture out there, but it's really not all that bad. Temperatures at the moment for most of us are in the low 80s, but north of Grand Rapids, we've had some rain come through across places like Fremont and Hart and even Muskegon, and that has dropped our temperatures significantly down into the upper 60s to mid 70s. Very little lightning with this, a few little strikes here and there, but some showers now approaching Big Rapids, and just south of Fremont had a nice little downpour. Further to the south, though, there are some showers from Allendale back just to the north of Holland that extend out into Lake Michigan, and this is what we were looking at from the vantage point of South Haven, and this has a little bit more lightning with it. The most intense storm that we have in the vicinity, which is not saying a whole lot at the moment, but that one could also bring in the potential for some gustier winds of maybe 30 to 40 miles an hour. Very quiet though. Otherwise, that severe thunderstorm watch, the pink box, valid for the waters towards northern Illinois and Wisconsin. For Lake Michigan, that expires at 7. There is some more thunderstorm activity back there all along this warm front, and probably all of the energy will stay back there as well. But it's this system coming through that gives us our best chance of rain and storms for the week, and also brings in some cooler air as we head into tomorrow. Right around the center of the low in that warm front is also where there's the most energy, so it makes sense that that's where the severe weather outlook is focused. We, however, are just on the edge of the energy, not quite enough to worry about a severe threat, so we are in a general thunderstorm threat for the remainder of today, meaning we're likely to have some thunderstorms with thunder and lightning, maybe some 30 to 40 mile an hour gusts and heavy downpours, but that is about it, and that's exactly what should happen through tonight, especially starting after around midnight. 65 for our low tonight. Best chances for widespread showers and storms comes between midnight and around 6 a.m., although there will be some scattered showers and storms out there before that point. Models having a little bit of trouble figuring out how the evolution of these storms is going to go in Lake Michigan, but certainly between midnight and 1 a.m. there could be some rowdier storms, especially towards the 94 corridor, kind of devolving into some scattered showers through the early morning before we see some re-intensification, hopefully towards the 96 corridor by early tomorrow morning for some better chances for rain and storms right along the front. All of this should be out of here by about noon, but if you are heading out early to the bus stop, to work out, to work, to walk the dog, you may want to consider bringing your umbrella or at least having it with you. Rain totals will be all over the place as they usually are, anywhere from a couple hundredths of an inch to maybe 3/4 of an inch, depending on those heavy corridors of rain. And once this gets out of here, the rain chances for the week pretty much end, and our temperatures stay very pleasant in the low 80s.